Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR MagicPad 4 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Updates. Now in the right section tap on Reset, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Network Settings. Let's tap on it and tap on Reset Network Settings. Be aware because this operation cannot be undone, so just tap on Reset Network Settings, and as you can see we just successfully did it, which means that the settings for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth had been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.